Steve, I know you had a press release out today on behalf of Silver Viper, and obviously that you've been focused on getting financing in place. So perhaps you could catch people up to speed on where everything stands there.
Yeah, so today's press release announcing the rollback of the company was the first step. And I can't go into a lot of details on what's coming here, but you're going to see a lot of different news releases here over the next month announcing changes within the group, announcing some of the things that I've been working on with various groups. You're going to see drilling here on the project very soon. And really firing things back up. So stay tuned. There's going to be a lot of different updates and different changes with the company. Again, if investors have any questions, please feel free to reach out, and I will try to answer questions as best as I'm allowed to, given all the different things that we're going to be working on here and are working on and have kind of agreed upon behind the scenes. So stay tuned. I'm really excited for what this next month, how it's going to position the company for us to have a really good 2025 and take advantage of a market that I think is going to be a very good market as we get through this year, but we'll see. But getting the company back drilling, getting back to work is a very exciting step for what's been way too long of a process for us as a company. So stay tuned. Reach out if you have any questions, like I said, and I'll answer as best I can. But this is one of many announcements that people will see here over the next month.
Steve, just in case anyone had not seen it already, could you walk through just the basic parameters that you have in the press release and what that will mean for folks?
Yeah, so we announced today a 10-for-1 rollback of the shares. That's going to tighten the share position to allow us to really have the share price move and focus on the people that are really going to help the company moving forward and working with those stakeholders. Like I said, there's going to be other parts of this that come in, but as far as this is announcing that on Wednesday that rollback will take effect January 15th. And so you'll see the share price on that day go up by 10 times, but our share count will obviously go down. Our market cap will remain the same. And then from there, we're free trading with the smaller share count, and we'll progress with all the other steps that we've been working on.
Okay. And Steve, I know last month when we talked, it was right before you were taking a trip to Canada. There were some groups that you were meeting with in terms of getting the financing in place. Certainly understand what you've said. There's limited amounts you can say, although just perhaps anything that you would care to touch on there or can share.
Yeah, I mean, I think we're as a group are really excited to start working with this other group that we met with and are getting involved with the company. They have a lot of financial backing behind them and various things. So we're going to be working together to benefit both sides and reposition the company. And we're looking at other assets that'll come along with this. I can't dive into. I've already said more than I'm allowed to say, but that's um that's what we're working on. You're gonna see, a lot of really good people get involved with the company, and I'm excited about that.
Well, I'll say an early congratulations, just in the sense that I know there's still steps to be taken, but obviously that was something we talked about throughout last year and wanting to get eventually back out and drilling and encouraging to see that things seem to be progressing that way. We'll wait till things are announced and a deal is in place that you're able to announce, but great to hear that you did have that meeting and that we see a first step here. And might add, if anyone has questions for Steve, you can go to Silver Viper Minerals, hit that contact tab, and get in touch directly so that you can understand everything that is going on, at least with what is available publicly right now. So, Steve, good step forward, making progress, and certainly will be an interesting year with the metals as well. But I thank you for joining me today, and we'll look forward to catching up with you soon and also covering as news comes out over the next month.
Sounds good. Thanks, Chris. Always a pleasure.